right, our next speaker is Tara Parker. Please come forward and state your name and address for the record, please.
Good evening. I'm Tara Parker. I live at 4911 Timberwood Drive in Howard, Georgia, 31232. I've been a former director at Humane Society, served as a board of directors for another Humane Society. I'm a vice president for Paws and Play. I co-founded Valdosta Spay and Neuter Assistance Program, and we have helped spay and neuter animals in the community from our own funding and our own time. We're 100% volunteers, about 200 animals. The prices have gone down. You guys probably know the Bissell Corporation is funding a program. We have a lot of people in the audience who do it, that are doing spay and neuter through the Humane Society. It's now $25 per cat, $35 per dog. So I'm encouraging everyone here, if you're not aware of it, or even if you are, we need to take advantage of that. I'd like to talk very briefly about our animal ordinances. I know that we are getting a new animal shelter, about $5 million. They deserve it. Again, the shelter is not responsible. The responsible pet owners are. I would like to confer with Ms. Burnham. I wish that we could work together with our budget and that we could support the women and some men who are doing the TNR work. They are a growing population. They are doing it out of their own pockets. Cats are considered an invasive species. We love them, but I would like to see, and I would like to understand why our current budget does not allow for assisting the root cause, which is overpopulation, and TNR addresses that. There are never going to be enough adopters for the dogs and cats we have. We cannot adopt our way out of this problem. We can never, I don't want us to, I don't think any of us do, want us to euthanize our way out of the problem. We can't shelter our way out of the problem. It costs approximately $20 to $30 a day to shelter a dog in Lowndes County, if I do my math correctly. Don't hold me to that, feel free to correct me. So $20 to $30 a day to house a dog. With the Bissell Corporation and with the Humane Society, you can have a dog spayed and neutered for 1 day's cost of care. 1 day. If it costs approximately $1,000 per month per dog, which is, again, my rough math, is what we're spending. If we would focus on prevention, we don't have to rescue them. And there will never be enough adopters. Fulton County spent $40 million on a state-of-the-art animal shelter. They now have 400 dogs and cats, and they don't have enough adopters for them. The problem is spay and neuter. So now Fulton County is going back, and they are spending on vouchers. DeKalb County, I have my notes, and I'll hand them to you if I mix up counties. They just paid $1.8 million for 6,000 vouchers to give out to the community for spay and neuter. Cobb County meets twice a year to update their animal ordinances and to discuss cruelty, neglect, abandonment. I really, really wish, and I know you guys have $150 million a year, give or take, right? Way more important things than animals. But like Ms. Burnham said, we love this community. Those of us who are volunteering, paying our taxes, and we're donating, we're tired. I wish that we could focus our $1.5 million a year that we spend on animal control and focus on the cause, which is overpopulation. If we refocus our efforts on avoiding overpopulation,